Hello, I'm Dan Bienenfeld, and I'm really happy to be back here at the Fascia Symposium. And this year, I would like to talk about my favorite subject, which is Hellerwork structural integration. Hellerwork structural integration comes from a long tradition of Dr. Ida P. Rolf, who was a pioneer in fascia. She was actually a fascia scientist, a biochemist, and she is responsible for the whole field of structural integration, also known as Rolfing. And 100 years ago, Dr. Rolf actually knew these properties of fascia that now science is finally validating in the last 25 years. And she was a celestial genius. And so I'm really happy to present a variation of Dr. Ida P. Rolf's work, which is called Hellerwork structural integration. Now, one of Dr. Rolf's students, Joseph Heller, who was my teacher, also a Polish-born man, unfortunately he passed away about a year ago. But he left a great legacy. He actually kept the work that he learned from Dr. Rolf, and he added a few incredible pieces to it. So the structural integration they learned from Dr. Rolf is about realigning the body and creating a fluidity in the fascial system, releasing chronic tension, and really evolving the human being. Joseph Heller was the president of the Rolf Institute, and when he left the Institute, he added a few pieces to what he learned from Dr. Rolf. One of the pieces was movement education. So it's not just about realigning the body, but really educating the person in how to use this evolved body by moving with grace and ease while aligned in the field of gravity. It's a whole system that goes with the body work. The other part that he developed was a type of, you could say, dialogue, or we now call it somatic psychology, which is a process which helps a person work with the material that comes out of the body when you work with the fascia, because memories are held in the body. Any injury or trauma that we've ever experienced, it's all there, and it's a matter of whether or not it's been processed. And a lot of the unconsciousness in a person's psychological process, even spiritual process, is stored in the body, and it slows them down. So between the body work, the movement work, and the dialogue process, it's a very complete and holistic way of working with the human being.